Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use other apps while using YouTube on iPhone. The first thing you need to do is go into App Store. Once in App Store, you're going to type in Brave and you want to download the Brave web browser. After downloading Brave app, you're going to open it and you will be redirected to this page. And you can simply tap on YouTube and you can tap on your profile in the top right hand corner and log in. Once you have done that, you can simply select the video that you would like to watch, or you don't even have to log in. Once you have found a video that you like, you're going to tap on the full screen option, which would be the square box in the bottom right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on the two boxes in the top left hand corner right beside the X. After doing that, you can simply close out of the Brave browser, and from here you'll be able to use any app. If you're having problems with this, what I would recommend you do is go into settings. Once in settings, you're going to scroll down and select general, and then you want to tap on picture in picture, and you want to ensure that this is toggled on. Once this is turned on, you won't have any problem using the Brave browser and watching YouTube while using other apps. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.